Ink Different Tattoos presents why this back-to-school season is the best time to start a tattoo career. Now is the perfect time to start tattooing. If you've been saying next year or when life slows down, you're only delaying your dream. Every season you wait, you lose time, and possibly the apprenticeship spot you could have taken. Back-to-school season is the smartest time to begin your tattoo journey. Myth-busting the wait until later mentality. The biggest challenge for aspiring tattoo artists isn't talent, it's hesitation. I need to get my life together first. You don't have to drop everything. A structured apprenticeship can fit into your life alongside work, school, or family. I should wait for the new year or semester. That mindset only sets you back. By next year, you could already be tattooing clients instead of just starting. It's too late. The tattoo industry is booming, more inclusive than ever, and open to artists of all ages and backgrounds. The industry is hot and not slowing down. Tattooing is no longer niche, it's mainstream. With rising demand, apprenticeship spots are competitive. Waiting too long can mean losing access to the right mentor, studio, or location. Those who take action now gain a head start in building skills and credibility. Every month you wait is a month you're not earning. The sooner you start, the sooner you can get licensed, build your portfolio, and earn money. Apprenticeships provide mentorship and hands-on training that lead directly to income opportunities. Tattoo artists in the U.S. can earn up to $106,858 a year. Waiting means delaying both financial freedom and professional growth. Fast-track your dream. Start before the rush. Fall and the new year are peak enrollment seasons when spots fill up quickly. Starting now means more mentor attention, better opportunities, and less competition. Think of it as getting backstage access before the crowd arrives. Real talk, if not now, when? How long have you been thinking about tattooing? Are you waiting for permission or ready to give it to yourself? Fear and perfectionism only keep you stuck. The truth is, the best way to learn to tattoo is simply to begin. Your future self will thank you. Picture yourself a year from now. You could either still be thinking about it or already tattooing, building a portfolio, and earning. The difference comes down to the choice you make today. If you are serious about becoming a professional tattoo artist, email or call us today.